everyone, my name is Siti Jamilah Binti Mohamad, student from Product Design Department, University Science Malaysia. For my final year project, my research title is Research on Dyslexia Teaching Aids for Students with Phonological Skills Problem. Do you guys know what is dyslexia and how phonological problems affect their learning progress? Okay, let me share with you guys what is dyslexia and how phonological problems affect their learning abilities. According to the International Dyslexia Association 2017, someone who have been diagnosed with dyslexia, they tend to have a problem with recognizing accurate words, spelling, and also decode the sounds of a letter. And all of these symptoms also known as phonological skills problem. Before I go more detail about my final product outcome, first of all, I will share my main objective and problem statement for this project. My problem statement for this project is based on the research that have been done. I found that students who have been diagnosed with dyslexia will face the difficulties in phonological skills problem, and these difficulties often leads to ridicule and self-recrimination because their deficiency in basic reading skills. While my objective for this project is to design an innovative teaching aids that could help dyslexic students improve their basic reading skills. For the outcome product, I designed an alphabet kit, or I named it as Cube. Cube basically a cube block designed with a bright color briefcase. The cube block that I designed came with 5 different features that implement multi-sensory approach by Orton Gillingham, which is visual, sounds, kinesthetic, and also tactile. The highlight for this project is the cube block with 5 different functions. The first one is letter stem, followed by phonic audio, visual letters, matching letters, and the last one is magic square. The special about this cube block is the font. I'm using open dyslexic font for the letter stem and also matching letters features. The special font help dyslexic reduce their confusion and easy for them to differentiate the letters characteristic. Meanwhile, for the briefcase, I designed with a board so that dyslexic can creatively write or draw something on that. There are also compartments for the 26 alphabet cube block, stamp pad, 3D letters, and also compartment to store pen or marker.